Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today in this video we'll explain how to update Audio Driver's Windows 10 and show you simple ways to fix sound issues and improve audio performance on your PC. Step 1. Click the Start menu and right-click. Select Device Manager from the Start menu. Device Manager is a built-in Windows tool that lets you manage and update hardware drivers. Step 2. In the Device Manager window, find and expand the section called Sound, Video and Game Controllers. This section displays all the audio devices installed on your system. Step 3. Right-click on your audio device, such as Realtek High Definition Audio, and select Update Driver. This option allows Windows to search for newer driver versions automatically. Step 4. Choose Search Automatically for drivers when prompted. Windows will check your computer and online sources to find the latest compatible audio driver. Step 5. Wait while Windows installs the updated driver if one is available. Installing the latest driver can fix sound problems, glitches, and compatibility issues. Step 6. Restart your computer after the update is complete. Restarting ensures the new audio driver is fully applied and working correctly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.